Traders, it's Tomek here, and I would like to invite you for our first event this year. But before I go to event details, let me tell you something. Some time ago, I was exactly like you. When I started, I struggled a lot. I felt shame when I was losing a trade. I felt anger also. I am afraid to lose. I treated my losing trade as a personal failure. I doubted myself. I was frustrated, and I had many other negative feelings. Fortunately, I had the chance to meet Nikos and learn his way of trading as an elite student. Thanks to this, I become mentor and a full-time trader. So if I manage this, you also can. But it's really, really up to you if you are ready to work for your success without any excuses. When you go to YouTube channel or Facebook groups, you will see or you see other portals, you will see that everybody is making profits. And most of these people are successful. I followed them not for months, but years. That also caused roller coaster situation in our head because we suddenly boost our confidence when we look for others. And if we cannot have same results like these people, we again go down with our emotion and we try to find other great systems. Usually what you find over internet work only in a short time of period or it's too complicated, but we are here more than 15 years and there is a reason for this, okay? All techniques which you find over the internet are only the tools which help us to follow our action on the market, which is running 24-hour per 5 days a week. Yeah, but it's not about that. The key point is to understand market direction and volatility. Yeah, follow the big institution and big investors. Understand when to trade and when to wait. So in this workshop, I will speak about most profitable and relaxing way to trade, which is swing trading. And I will show you with the numbers and with photo that last year you had possibility to earn more than 20% during the coronavirus, where a lot of people say it's not possible, spending only 30 minutes daily. I will also show you my student results, which was traded 3 months, and he risked only 0.5%, and he made almost 6%. Yes, using, of course, our swing trading strategy. It's really easy to do, but it's you just need to really focus and follow the rules in 100%. And I'm here to help you to do that. I will not only teach you, but I will divide with you my experience. I will show you step by step how to overcome all obstacles and how to prepare correctly your trading environment. And if you really follow this, you will succeed. Trust me, I'm the live example that is possible. I also would like to answer the question that is always asked. If I'm profitable, why I teach others? The answer is simple. Yes, I like to teach, I like to help and share experience to others. Of course, this is also my second business, but my goal is unchanged. Help others to succeed in trading. So that's why I also prepared some gift for you. If you sign to this event, you will have access to our to one of extra our past event for free. But all details I will say during our workshop. I also prepare something new and special because I will organize small contest after the event, and prize will be 2 mentorship meetings with me. But all details I will also share at the end of our workshop. So now let's go to to see some more details about our event. So let me explain you a little bit more details about our event. This will be 3 days event where I focus on swing trading strategy, and we will also have 4 live trading rooms after the event. So you can together with me, you can master what you learn. So I will guide you how I do watch lists, how I prepare my trading panel. We will do step by step everything, so you understand better how to approach this strategy. Yeah. So Day number one will focus on the top-down approach, which is a key point to understand market behavior, market direction, volatility. I will show you my trading panel, which I prepared for this event to help you to understand differences between different between time frames. So when you look for the charts, you will immediately see what the price is doing on the different time frames. I will show you at the end this trading panel, and of course we'll generally try to I will try to show you and help you to understand when we have trend, when we have volatility, when we have main direction, when we trade against main direction, and where to find high probability trade areas to trade. Then day number two, trading setup and entries. I will explain you exactly how to enter, where to enter on the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, how to combine those two time frames together with the weekly and daily. I will show you where to place stop loss, what kind of the risk you should take, how to trade the stop loss, which trades are late, which trades are early, which trades are more aggressive, which trades are more conservative. So in this way, you will have a better understanding what exactly you do on the market, because this is the most important part, to understand why we take decision when we trade. Okay, if this is losing, winning, doesn't really matter as long as we understand what we do. And the last day number three, it's about the mindset, about the trading mindset in the general way. And I will show you the role of our beliefs. Yes, how to see what kind of the beliefs we have when we trade, how to overcome those negative beliefs, how to transform our mindset. And I will give you exactly everything what I do myself to master my emotions, to master my feelings when I approach the trading. Okay, so in my opinion, this will be the most important part of this webinar, because in my opinion, mindset is the key point to be long-term successful. So definitely, we will go really hard in this day. Like I said, bonus session for live trading rooms, but all we will discuss during the event. We schedule everything together, and we will have small contests during this workshop, and price will be 2 free mentorship meetings with me, but I will also share all details inside. So our trading panel looks like this. Okay, so you immediately can see what price is doing on the weekly, daily, 4-hour chart, and 1-hour chart. Okay, so in this way, we will be able to identify really fast what is going on, and using our analysis, we prepare watch lists, so it will be much easier for you to follow pairs to trade. Okay, so I hope this panel will help you a lot to figure it out where exactly you are on the market. I also prepared special EA for this event. This is risk management EA. Thanks to this, you will be able to place your orders really fast and in the really comfortable way, because you will have the lines directly on the charts. You just place the stop loss where you want to put. You open market positions or pending orders, set the risk, and everything EA will calculate for you. Okay, you can also choose how many targets you would like to have. 3, 2, 1. You have other extra tools, but everything I will cover during this event. And like I said at the beginning, I also would like to share with you some statistics from the 2021. This is what we have: Forex 2021, 23% of profits using only 28 or 26 Forex pairs. That's all. Spending less than 30 minutes per day. Here you have results. And not only I will not only show you the results, but I will also show you all the trades which you could have taken in the past year. Yeah, so we will explain everything step by step, so it will be much easier for you to understand how to trade like this. Okay, so guys, I'm really happy that we have this. This is good time to prepare our trading for upcoming year using swing trading, because this is like the most relaxing and profitable approach to the market. Especially if you don't have much experience, it's better to start with the swing trading because it's much easier to follow. and the results are really, really good. So I would like to invite you again. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will be more than happy to answer and help you. So thanks a lot and see you inside. Bye.